So hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma, and in this particular video I am going to show you how you can do group by in Pandas data frame. So first I have created this Excel file to show you that this one. So I am reading this first. So I will show you. You can see here. So suppose in this data frame we want uh, the count of name column, like each name here, like what is the count for each name, like for Ramesh, how many Ramesh are there, how many Ankitas are there, how many Mohan are there in this sheet, in this file, and we want this value as a new column. So how can you perform that? So I will show you how you can perform that. So first of all, I will create a column count, and I will assign the name column there. Then I will simply do group by df2 dot group by on this name column itself. So name comma, we don't want this as an index, so we will put as index is equals to false. Then simply I will count the value, count dot count function. Df is not defined. Okay, df2 there. So let's see this data frame now. So you can see this is the result. Ankita 5. There are 5 Ankita, 1 2 3 4 5. Mohan 4, 1 2 3 4. Ramesh 3, Ramesh 1 2 3. So that's how we can perform group by. Suppose we want to group by on 2 columns, so we can do that as well. Like I will put this admission date and time. So it will consider the unique records by combination of these 2 columns, name and admission date and time. So I will read this again. Then I will run this df2. Then you can see like we have Ankita only one with the unique admission date and time. Like for each Ankita we have different admission date and time, right? Mohan as well unique, Ramesh as well unique. So the count is 1. Suppose if I will change it and I will keep the 2 Ramesh values as same, or all the Ramesh value as same, then save it. Then I will again read it df2, and again I am doing this group by on both the column. So what will happen? So still unique I have changed, right? Okay, no, control C, then control V, then control V. Then again I will save it. Then again I will read it df2 count, and again df2. So see Ramesh, now the count is 3 because this for Ramesh these both columns were same, like you can see here. So that's how group by function works. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you are doing good. Okay, bye bye.